Hey Deeters, and welcome back to my channel, Darisa's Daily Deets, where I discuss everything from fashion, beauty, a little bit of luxury, to lifestyle. Y'all, today's video is going to be a what's in my bag featuring the Tory Burch mini Perry tote. Hopefully I said all of that right. I could have said it out of order. Please forgive me. But yes, we're going to kind of just do a what's in my bag. We're going to kind of talk about the specs of this bag, how much I've been loving this bag and all of that good stuff. But before we get started, if you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And yes, guys, I am officially at 500 subscribers. Yay! Thank you guys so much. I'm so thankful, so grateful for all of you that have just subscribed, showed me love, commented, all of that good stuff, engaged with me. Trust me, you guys don't understand how much that means to me. So please, let's just keep it up. Let's keep growing here on this channel. Again, like I say, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, thumbs up, all of that good stuff, so I can just continue to grow here on this platform. And without further ado, we're going to go ahead and jump right into the video. Okay, guys, so sorry y'all, my hair is a little itchy. Okay, guys, so I have officially had this bag down. It's been for some, I want to say it's been like 5-6 months now, maybe, or maybe it's getting closer to a year. I'll have to double check that. But I would have never in a million years thought that my most used bag would end up being this one. When I tell y'all, this is like the only bag that I really gravitate towards. I never change it. It goes with everything that I wear. And I really honestly want to start getting more bags in this colorway because, guys, it's the perfect size. And when I tell you it's the perfect neutral, it's the perfect neutral. So we're going to start getting into some specs about the bag, and then we'll kind of do the what's in my bag portion so you kind of can see what fits inside, because it fits quite a bit. What I have in here now does not even scratch the surface of what this bag can fit, but I want to be realistic and kind of show you what I carry on an everyday basis. So first things first, I've been getting comments on the video that I did where I was kind of revealing the tote, unboxing the tote, and people were asking me just different types of questions, like, you know, in the comments about color transfer. That was a big one that I got, you know, pricing and all of that, because this bag, since I purchased it, has had a significant price increase. And I feel like, honestly, everything has had a significant price increase. With Tory Burch especially, they have went up, you know, quite a bit on their prices. I was able to purchase this bag during a sale, and I believe it was under $300 at the time. Maybe like 220, something like in the $200 range, which when I tell you, I am so happy that I was able to get it at that price, because I believe now this bag retails for like $300 or $350 if you were just to buy it outright. And I don't know if it even goes on sale or anything like that anymore, but like if I find anything, I'll definitely link it down below. But as of right now, yes, this bag has definitely had a significant price increase since I purchased it. But even with the price increase, it's still worth it, guys. Because for one, now, it's just functional. Like, so I am a person that I love the versatility, I should say, of having a top handle with a crossbody strap. Like, I have now come to understand and realize that that really is my ideal bag. Another thing that I've come to realize is that my ideal bag is structured, because honestly, on a day-to-day basis, I don't necessarily carry a lot in here to fill it up, but I still want my bags that kind of have the structure as if I do have a lot of things in it, and not still feel like it's overwhelmingly big, if that makes sense. So hands down, crosses all of that off the list like perfectly. Any type of, I have no reservations about any of the functionality with this bag. Now, as far as keeping the bag clean and color transfer, which is honestly one of the biggest questions that I got about this bag, and to be honest with you, I never even thought about that, because when I first purchased it, I was like, I don't know, I don't think I wear things that get color transfer. Again, I'm not a person that's wearing like black dress pants every day, or typically anything dark on the bottom where it kind of hangs at. And I just never, it had never crossed my mind, and it should have crossed my mind. I was honestly like happy that people had kind of brought that up, because I was like, oh my goodness, yeah, what about color transfer? But no, nothing. So I'll show you kind of up close so you can kind of see. Now, I do have a 2-year-old, and this bag, you know, stains are gonna come when you have toddlers around your items. But as you can see, I mean, the bag is still pretty much in pristine condition. I do see some like color, like some, you know, it's getting a little, I would say more so dirty than transferred, maybe in this area, but it's nothing super noticeable. Until like someone had brought that up, I didn't even think to look for color transfer. So I mean, you guys be the judge. Like I said, there is going to be some staining because I do have a daughter. I've tried to wipe it down before, you know, I did the video, but other than that, I don't really see anything that would make me be like, oh no, don't purchase this color. It's just so horrible for color transfer. And I mean, I don't wear a lot of jeans, so I don't, you know, please forgive me. I don't want to come on here and just act like I'm a person that's constantly wearing things that could transfer on it. But I do feel like I wear it with everything. So I know that I have worn a pair of jeans. I don't wear a lot of dark denim either. So maybe that's adding to it. So I'm not sure. Maybe if you're a person that wears a lot of dark denim or dark colored bottoms, maybe you would experience that, but no, I haven't. And maybe a lot of times I'm carrying it like this. I'm a top handle girl. I prefer top handle. I will do it crossbody if need be, like if I'm out somewhere with my daughter or something like that. But typically when I'm just running in somewhere, I mean, I'm grabbing this, and if there's like a cart or something involved, like at the grocery store, I just put it like, you know, in that you know, that part where kids can like sit at and everything. So I don't really have any type of color transfer experiences so far. So that is the main thing I wanted to come on here and address before we, you know, got into the actual what's in my bag portion, so you can kind of get a feel of what fits and how it still keeps its structure. Another part that I love about this bag is that if you don't want the actual Tory Burch emblem, or if you want this to be very understated, you have the option of both. So here we have the tassel here, and here, let me show you guys, because I mean, just so you don't know, I mean, if you watch my last video, you've seen all this. But yeah, you can pull it all the way out. I typically never do this. I mean, it's kind of not even flat up against the surface for real. But I never really do this. I guess I could if I really want to just kind of show off this portion of it. But I typically, if I do it, I keep it down low like that. What I do notice though is that it kind of does just fall back into this, or this kind of slides down. So if that bothers you, sorry, but that is, you know, that does happen. So this part will not typically just stay like that, like especially if you have it even a little closer down there and you just want to show like a little bit of it. I find that this does slide down over time on top of that. So not sure if that's something that's a deal breaker for you with the bag, but that does happen. And as far as everything else, as you can kind of see, I'm not carrying much in here today. I'm just kind of giving you an overview of what it looks like in the inside. I love that it has this snap closure, so if you're carrying a lot of things, everything doesn't typically just fall out, because it does kind of have something that's like protecting it. But not to say that like things have fallen out of this bag before, but that's just kind of what comes with it. I try to keep anything small inside this middle compartment with the zipper, as you can see. But, you know, even then, sometimes I just want easy access, and I just want to be able to just go right in and grab my thing. So let's go ahead and get started with the what's in my bag portion of the video. All right, so first things first, I have my house keys, because I have my keys separated. So my house keys stay on this Prada 6-ring key holder. I like for my keys to be hanging out, because when I'm trying to get in the house, I'm not trying to be unzipping stuff. So I do typically just leave the keys hanging out, and it just kind of serves as just, I don't know, like a cute accessory for them. But yeah, I really don't even use this. I want to do an SLG video because I feel like I have quite a few. Yeah, so this is the main thing that stays in there is that. Okay, then the next thing that I have in here is it's called a key clay, but it's my Louis Vuitton key clay. I think they call it a key pouch now. Now, I don't use this for keys. This is my wallet. I have been saying for the longest that I'm going to try to get something that condenses all of my SLGs down into maybe like 2. I tried to do 1, but that's just, I'm not really finding anything that's going to do that. But I do right now just kind of have everything separate, and this just houses all of my cards. I'll open this up for you guys so you kind of get a feel of how many cards fits in here. So it fits quite a bit, and this is honestly my wallet. Like, this is the only thing I carry that's a wallet. It's small, it's compact, but in the future, near future, I am definitely going to be probably going ahead and getting something else. So of course I will share that with you guys once I do that. I have a lip gloss because, honey, we need a lip gloss. So this is just a Fenty gloss bomb. I literally just have it thrown in the side of it. And this is the miniature, like, travel one. So I also have one of these Touchland, what do they call these? The Power Mist hand sanitizers. I love these. They're just so sleek. Now, my daughter did get makeup all over mine, so if you see something like tan in there, that's what that is. She was like painting it, y'all, with my Dior concealer. No, not fun. But yes, I was able to wipe it off and get it, you know, back into my bag, like where it belonged. And yeah, so I have this in there. Really, really cute, really sleek, but it's a nice alternative for hand sanitizer in your bag. What else do we have? Oh, I gotta always have a handy dandy pair of sunglasses. Now, I am not good about keeping my sunglasses in cases. I just am a person, again, I just want to be able to take them off and put them back on. So I'm all about convenience. So these are my Free People sunglasses that I just included in my sunglasses collection video. And if you haven't watched that, go ahead. I'll have it in the card so you can click it and see exactly what my sunglasses collection looks like. But yeah, these were in, that's, you know, a pair of shades. That's my staple for the summer. And then inside the zippered portion, I literally just have some change, like some old receipts, and my handy dandy car key. I have a push to start vehicle, so this is just the key, as you can see. But it, for some reason, like keys, like that's why I need to just find something else, because having all these little separate things, it's starting to kind of get annoying. But like the key holders typically don't hold these keys very well, these, like, you know, heavier car keys, from what I'm finding, and they typically just like fall off. So I don't want to lose my car keys, so I've been keeping it separate, but I want to find something where I can have everything like in one place. So if you guys have any suggestions, please let me know in the comments. I would really appreciate that on what you guys do when you have these types of keys and you have, like, you know, the key holders and things like that. And then I have an earring. Like, so there's an outside pocket here that's also pretty convenient as well. Say you don't want something in the zipper, but you kind of want something that's easy, you know, to get to. They have this pocket that's right here. Hopefully you guys can see it. And I really think that that's cool. And then this strap here is removable. I'm not going to remove it because, I mean, the video isn't really about what this, you know, straps and everything. It's more so about what can fit, wear and tear, and all of that. Just a, you know, an update, because you guys have been asking me, and obviously if you guys have questions, others probably do too. So yeah, and I wanted to kind of come on here and just show you guys, you know, how much I have been loving this bag and why it is my most used bag at the moment. Okay, so now that brings us to the end of the video. If you have made it this far, I want to say thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.